Hi, I'm Booher, assistant golf professional at River Valley Ranch Golf Club, and this is part 2 in a series on bunker play. Today I'd like to address intermediate or maybe early advanced golfers who perhaps you don't have a problem getting the ball out of the bunker, but you do have a problem specifically with distance control. Okay, so I've got my sand wedge here. Now the easiest way to differentiate distances is obviously just to switch clubs. Most of you have a lob wedge, a sand wedge, and a gap wedge. Okay, you can make the same swing with each of those 3 clubs, and you're going to find the lob wedge goes higher and shorter. Okay, then you have a sand wedge, more intermediate trajectory, a little bit longer, a little more roll, and then a gap wedge would fly farther out, a little bit lower trajectory, and a lot more roll. And that would be a very effective way. But for those of you who don't necessarily want to change clubs or really want to get more specific than just switching golf clubs, let's talk about controlling your follow-through. All right, so when we look at the length of the backswing, that's going to be the same for each of these 3 shots. All right, I'm going to get this club up, like we talked about in the first video, to about a 3/4 backswing. Then we're going to have 3 very distinct follow-throughs. One is going to be a little bit less than halfway through. Okay, next one is going to be a little more than halfway through, almost hinging that club up to near shoulder height. And the third one is going to be getting that club all the way up here into a near full finish. So let's hit 3 of these shots. And again, you're going to see 3 different distances, right? But specifically 3 different follow-throughs. The acceleration is going to be the same, but I'm going to cut the follow-through off differently with each of these shots. So here's the first one, short one. Okay? Again, I don't want that ball to go really far. It's going to pop out high, but it may be only, the max for that would be 10 yards. Here we've got maybe something more in the 15 or 20 yard range. Again, up to here and through to about here. Get yourself set, and here we go. Okay, so again, very good acceleration. Let the follow through go a little bit longer, but you still cut it off. All right, now I'd like to flight this maybe up to 25 or 30 yards. Okay, so I'm going to go almost to a full finish. All right, but still that same good hinged up 3/4 backswing. Here we go. Good. So again, look at the length of your follow-through. Experiment with it to create your own distances, but I think you'll find that if you can really control the length of your follow-through, you'll begin to be able to control distance a lot better out of the bunker. Thanks for watching.